was a lot of interest in immersive technology. Creative Futures Academy had funding to allow us to hire creative fellows. The concept was we wanted to learn from them.
I think it's important for colleges like IADT to investigate AR and VR. I'm an artist myself, I'm a sculptor, and I'm also into technology.
Once Daithí had mentioned it to me about maybe taking part in the fellowship, I jumped at the opportunity to help share and get people on board within the XR space.
It opened a lot of minds to it, and it made a lot of people start thinking about how they could apply it to their own practice, because most practices in the Institute could incorporate it.
Technology is really helpful for creative people. There's crossovers between art, design, architecture, everything, and technology can make this happen.
It's great that IADT are adopting such cutting-edge technology across all of the departments. I think it's inspiring and delighted to have built that relationship and look forward to future projects with IADT.